very tricky to do the videoing. We're going to do a picture for space today, and it's going to be, Betty's going to do one with acrylic paints, these sort of acrylics, and I'm going to do one with magic painting, which is wax crayons and watercolours. I've got a set of watercolours here. I think you can get these sort of things in WH Smith if you've got like a post office open with WH Smith. If you don't have any of this equipment like wax crayons or watercolours, you could draw a picture and colour it in, and that's not a problem at all. So you have to look up the planets, starting from the sun and then going further away. I've done a picture very roughly of the sun and then the planets going away from it. I think that one is Mercury, Venus, that's going to be Earth, and Mars, and further back. So do look up like a plan of how they look.
You do know Mars is closer to the sun.
No.
Oh no, it's not.
I didn't know.
It's not.
Not. Okay, good.
I don't know.
No, it's fine. I wouldn't know. I just copied it off the internet. And so we're going to do magic painting. So I've drawn out my plan, which is the rings and the sun in the corner. And I've drawn where the planets are. And some of the bigger than the others. So I've done a rough sort of plan. And then I'm going to do, so I did the sun with the wax crayon. You have to do really, if you're going to do magic painting, you have to do really hard with the wax crayon on. And then we'll do spiky bits on the sun. And then I'm going to colour in the other planets as well. I don't have a wax crayon that's white. I could use a candle, I suppose. But, because that's wax. But what I'm going to do instead is after I've magic painted it, I'm going to use white acrylic. This sort of acrylic will stick back over the top. But hopefully you can find a wax crayon or a wax candle that will go over it.
But don't burn yourself.
Don't burn yourself. No, it won't be on. You just use the wax, the dry wax. So what's the next colour of planet? Can't remember. I looked it up. Oh, it's sort of browny. I'm going to do an orange one. An orange one. Oh, I'm not going to paint back over the top. I'm going to do its line like that for fun. Really, really, really press down with the wax.
Maybe Mercury's orange.
It doesn't matter. I'm not going to do it exact.
It's a red planet.
And then we're going to do Venus yellow. I don't know what colours they really are, but it's fun. Venus yellow. I'm going to give it a yellow wax ring. They're imaginary rings, the ones that they travel around on and go round and round the sun. And then there's Earth. I've got a blue. Oh, I have got a blue and a green. So I'm going to imagine that looks like the Earth. That's purple. It's blue. There's my Earth. I could do it properly, couldn't I? But I'm doing it faster for this video. There's my Earth. I might give it what colour line should I give it? Whoops. That's not. Don't be too scruffy like me. And then we give it a red line. Red. And then Mars is kind of red, maybe. With a yellow, orange line. There you go. Woohoo! And then Jupiter. Jupiter looks multicoloured. I'm going to make Jupiter a bit pink. It's not very realistic, is it, Betty?
No, not at all.
No.
It's like total opposite of realistic.
Well, I haven't got enough wax crayons. you can have a bit of orange as well for fun. Pink and orange, they're good colours together. There you go, with a nice yellow line for fun. And Saturn's got that ring around it. Let's give you a Saturn. An orange bit around there. Ooh, doesn't like it on top of the wax. Wax on wax doesn't like it. Saturn with a pink line, please. And the next two look a bit blue on my picture that I've got up there on the internet. Bluey one, Uranus, Neptune. I'm going to give Uranus a bit of a doodle. And then Pluto
Is now a comet.
is now a comet.
What, it became too small?
It's too small, but it's got its own little life around there.
It's
so I'm gonna
too
give it
small to be called a planet.
It's a half planet, dwarf planet. I put it there anyway, and then there's some lines here, aren't there? Give them some lines, and I would like to do some nice little pretty stars. Oh, I like your background, Betty.
I don't.
I do.
I don't, because it's too blocky. And I just need to colour in the white first.
You could put lots of water in and mash it in with water in the middle. Anyway, I'm doing stars.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's easy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot easier.
And I'm going to do some dots.
That's really aggressive.
It's just because I look beautiful.
Mum, it chipped off onto my thing. It's aggressive.
I'm going to do a comet. There. And what else could be in the sky? A space shuttle. That would be tiny.
How do you?
Ooh, yeah. You mean like a space, like aliens? Oh yeah.
Aliens?
There's an alien UFO.
I never said that.
Some more like stars. And now we'll do the magic. Okay,
If it
ready?
works.
Loads of water. I don't want to do black. I want to do purple. I want to do the purple sky. They're like, but quite thick, I think. You have to get lots of water on them. Scrub it around quite a lot to make it dark.
No, I am content with it.
That looks good. Now this is super magic. Super magic. Super magic. You got it upside down from me. In the video, it's upside down. Super magic. I guess if I didn't want it, no, never mind. I'm sure this, like, because it's so magic, when it dries better. And you'll notice that if you haven't scrubbed down hard enough with the wax, it won't. You'll just end up with a purple page or a blue page or a black page, whatever colour you're painting. It needs to be really thick wax. Magic painting. they are. I think when it's dry, it'll look better. And then we can show Betty's one. Are you going to draw planets on it? Paint
No,
planets?
I'm gonna splat stars on it.
Splat stars! Betty's going to do the splatty thing. So I really like that effect of the magic. I might even make it darker. Try and make it darker. There. And then we'll leave it to dry. And then and Betty, you do your splatty thing now in front of them?
No, because it won't be dry.
Oh yeah. Couldn't you just splat it on top?
No, I don't like doing that.
Okay, fine. All right then. So we'll see it. We'll do a little video when that's finished. Here's the magic painting dry, and this is Betty's one. She's going to do splatting. That looks great. It's slightly watered down acrylic paint, and that's how Betty splats. Guess not too small a paintbrush, and quite like if it's acrylic paint, not too thick. That looks like space to me. It could even be the Milky Way.
Well, there are other elements to it.
Really?
Yeah.
I like that best.
Hmm.